In this tutorial, we'll take a look at ratios. A ratio is a comparison between numbers. For example, what is the ratio of apples to oranges here? Apples are listed first, so we'll put the number of apples first. We have 3 apples. The oranges are second, so we'll put the number of oranges second. We have 2 oranges. So, the ratio of apples to oranges, the comparison of the number of each, is 3 to 2. Notice that we put a colon in the middle to separate the 2 numbers in a ratio. Another way to show this same ratio would be 3/2. Again, the apples are first, so they end up on the top, and the oranges, being second, end up on the bottom. You may look at this and say, hey, that's a fraction. Indeed it is. Ratios can be shown using a colon, or they can be written as a fraction. Let's try another. Consider our dogs. What is the ratio of mostly brown dogs to mostly white dogs? We say mostly brown first, so let's count the dogs that are mostly brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll put down a 5. Next, we look for the mostly white dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We put down another 5. And put a colon between them. 5 to 5. For every 5 brown dogs, there are 5 white dogs. Note that we can reduce ratios. Note that the left side and right side of our ratio are both divisible by 5. So let's divide both sides by 5. And we end up with a ratio of 1 to 1. Same ratio, just a simpler way to write the same ratio. You should always try to reduce your ratios as much as you can. Of course, you could have written the ratio as a fraction with the brown dogs on top, 5, and the white dogs on the bottom, another 5. Again, we could reduce this ratio down by dividing top and bottom of our fraction by 5. And we end up with 1/1. Again, just another way to write the same ratio. Let's consider our dogs again, but this time we'll consider the ratio of tilted heads to non-tilted heads. The tilted heads are listed first, so let's count the tilted heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dogs have tilted heads. Non-tilted heads would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we list the 4 and put a colon in between. Can we simplify or reduce this ratio? Is there a number that we can divide both 6 and 4 by? Yes, they are both divisible by 2. So let's reduce. We'll divide both sides by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the reduced version of our ratio is 3 to 2. Again, in a fraction form, we would have written the original ratio as 6/4. We see that top and bottom of the fraction could be divided by 2. So our reduced version of the fraction would be 3/2. In this tutorial, we looked at ratios. We found that ratios are used to compare 2 numbers. We can write a ratio using a colon between, or we can write our ratios as fractions. Either way, we try to reduce our ratios by considering whether the numbers in our ratio can be divided by the same number. We typically present a ratio in its most reduced form.